So if you just hit OK and specify the name, I'll just name it project in this case and hit save. So video will get saved. That's it. It's simple. Hey, I'm Marco and I normally review PC hardware and smartphones, but in this show, I'm focusing on content creators like me and reviewing tools for content creation. So welcome to Creative Focused Budget Video Editor. So the most important aspect that takes a video from good to great is editing. All transitions, sound effects and that cool background music that you hear in the background actually creates that bonding between the creator and the viewer. But professional video editors are so expensive that aspiring video creators like me are set aback by it. And newbies to the video editing scene finds it very difficult to master the complex mechanisms and workflows of some free software like VSDC or DaVinci Resolve. And those that are free and actually do the work watermark the videos, and so they look a lot unprofessional and actually serves an advertisement for that piece of software. So there are very few editing softwares that actually meet all the criteria of being free, being easy to use and being watermark free. And today we are going to talk about one of them, and that is Windows Movie Maker 10. No, not that malware that you think had originated after the Windows Movie Maker got discontinued in 2012. It is a totally third-party software and it has no ties with Windows or Windows Movie Maker. I don't know why to just put the name Windows Movie Maker, maybe to get attention. So let's get right into the screen and see how the video editor works and why I think it is one of the best for aspiring creators to master as well as create very good content with it. Okay, so as soon as you open the video editor, you are greeted with a screen like this with this minimalist UI, and I pretty much love it. So before we move on to the left hand side, we need to focus on the right hand side at first. So here you have quick tools, and there are lots of tools here, many cool visual effects, green screen, overlay video, pretty much everything that you will actually need to create some good and catchy content. So on the left hand side we have create new project, which I also call as the new project in Premiere or VSDC because it performs pretty much like that. So we will just create a new project in here, and here you have add clip, in which you can actually add photos, videos, or maybe a custom credits and title screen. And here you can arrange the clips and settings, save project and save video, which we do not need right now. So just add clip and then photo and video, and in here I have some clips that I'll just drag into here right now. So these two clips are already imported, so I'll just play them, check them, and then trim and cut out the unnecessary parts. Okay, so now as you can see, I have already trimmed out the unnecessary parts, and now it is just time to add a music track to this. So here we can go to edit soundtrack, and here is a music track and video track. So I'll just insert a music in here. So I'll just go to local music files, and I have some pieces of music right here, so I will just import one of them in here. So here is the music, this much part is not needed. So I'll just trim it out. So now our video has some music. So now we'll just export this video, and that's for it. And here you can see that there's an option for 4K, and even we can set the bitrate all the way up to 48 megabits per second. That is the highest bitrate that a good 4K video needs. So if we just hit OK, and then we can just specify the name, I'll just name it project in this case and hit save. So video will get saved. That's it. It's simple. Okay, so now we have the file that you can upload to any social media site, may it be YouTube or Facebook. So let us just talk about the points that I did not like about this editor. First, it has only one video source. That means that you can only add one video on the timeline for a project. That actually makes adding B-rolls extremely difficult. In other professional video editing software, what happens is that you have a number of video layers, and the one at the topmost is displayed over the others. But you can only add only one video in this thing, and that actually makes adding B-rolls very difficult. Put it in, sync it with the video, and then trim out each and every part that you want the B-roll to fit in. That actually makes the workflow a lot slower and a lot more cumbersome. So this is definitely one of the most bad points that this editor should improve upon. Second thing, many video effects are not available in Create New Project, aka your project site sequence or timeline. So that actually means you'll have to go back to the video effects on the first screen, and you'll have to add some video effects that you may want, as for example crop a video or maybe overlay a video on top of the other, and then export it back to the project and do it again. Provided the fact that this editor does not allow multiple instances to be open at the same time, that actually means you have to quit and reload into a project every time. So that actually makes the workflow again a lot more slower, which I did not like much. Okay, so now it is time to discuss the price, and what will I say? It comes at an insane price tag of 550 rupees or $7.50. So I know this is unbelievable. I just got shocked when I looked at the price for the first time, and I thought, oh, this much of freedom at this price? $7.50 for a lifetime license? That's very incredible. And provided the fact that this video editor works so well and gives you up to 4K video output, it actually makes a lot more sense. There are down points. I will not say that this is the perfect, but what is perfect in this world? And so at this price point, this actually makes a lot more sense. And if you can master it, you can actually create very good videos at maybe a little more time, but they will be worth it. Okay, so finally the big question, do I recommend it? Yes, I do recommend it. Creators that are starting out, that are aspiring to be big creators on any platform, actually find it very difficult to master any complex video editing software. So for them, this is a wonderful software, and at a price tag of $7.50, it is like nothing. It is too cheap for what it offers. So you can go for it, buy it. I'll leave a link down in the description. Go check it out. You'll love it as I have. So, and with that said, I'm Marco, and I'm signing out.